Hi, welcome to Module 1, Week 1, Nursing History. Each week there will be an overview so you know what to expect and what is required of you for that week. This week is going to be about the history of nursing. Each week you will have objectives to help you meet the requirements. There will be a weekly overview. The topic this week is nursing history along with APA formatting. You're going to do a get to know you discussion board post. There were also readings, videos, and assignments. It should take you about 6 to 8 hours to complete all the work that is required for this week. Readings are in this folder. If you click on the blue link, it will open for you, and it will show you the readings that are also blue link accessible. Videos, the same idea. Click on the blue link videos, and your videos are within that folder for your viewing. APA is going to be a big part of your BSN program, so make sure that you pay attention to what is in the videos and to the assignment. Weekly assignments are located in the red link, Weekly Assignments. And what you'll see this week, there is an APA quiz. It is based on 10 questions. You have 20 minutes to complete it, and you can do it as often as you want to. It is worth 2% of your grade. That's where those videos are going to come into play. They will help you be successful. There's also information on Week 3, Module 3's assignment, which is a project based on a nursing theorist. You pick which theorist or philosopher you want. They must, however, be a nurse. You must submit their name to me in an email form by Sunday of Week 1. You cannot use Florence Nightingale or Imogene King. They are going to be talked about throughout the module, so it will kind of be repetitious. It is a project. If you want more information on that project, which I'm sure you do, go to the left-hand column here, click on the multi-genre project information. A section will open for you. There is a video to help you along. There is also an information sheet. There are examples, and there is a grading rubric. Always make sure that you look at the grading rubric and you read any information that is included on the assignment. Usually within that information, you'll find little hints like how long the project has to be, how much it's worth, if there's color required, if you're allowed to do this or do that. A lot of the papers I grade and assignments I grade, that's where students lose the points. There's little things that are hidden in that assignment sheet. Thirdly, there is a nursing history written assignment. These are 5 questions that you have to answer. Right in here, they give you the 5 questions. You don't need a title page and a separate reference page. However, you do have to reference the articles you use, or else it's plagiarism. Make sure your name is on the document. It's worth 10% of your grade. You have to demonstrate critical thought to me in the way you talk about the development of nursing profession from a positive and negative perspective. Please make sure you use headings to distinguish positive and negativity. Use 2 other provided resources from this week. Resources were included in the reading section and the video section. Make sure you make use of them. You must use 2 of them. You also have to make sure proper grammar, spelling, and referencing are followed. Always read your assignment out loud. That's when you're going to catch your grammar mistakes, spelling mistakes, and things that just basically need to be corrected because they don't make any sense. And lastly is looking ahead, and I already showed you where that link was on the left-hand column to look ahead to that Week 3 project. Try to get started earlier rather than later on your projects and your assignments. It'll make it easier for you so you're not rushing at the very end. I will be putting up a folder in here that will say course questions. You can go into that area and create a thread if you have a question that you don't want to email me about, or you don't want to text me. A lot of times if you have a question, someone else does too, which is why I'll make use of a question for the instructor format on here. If you have any questions, let me know. You have my contact information in my bio and also in the course announcement for this week. Have a great week.